Well, on Hattiesburg's People, a Hutchinson woman has a rare collection that is nothing to sneeze at. It is autographed handkerchiefs that have a rich family history. Ann Richardson lovingly has kept the collection current.
I was a very ornery child, and my grandmother loved me unconditionally.
A signed handkerchief from Helen Keller. Another from Itzhak Rabin, a former Israeli prime minister.
It's my grandmother's legacy.
In her rural home near Hutchinson, Ann Richardson has more handkerchiefs than Macy's.
According to my closest count, there are nearly 5,000 in the collection.
But they aren't just plain old handkerchiefs. They are autographed by some of the most famous people in the world.
Seems like every handkerchief has a history of its own. My grandmother loved handkerchiefs, and in the early 30s she joined a hobby club and started collecting handkerchiefs from all over the world. So people would travel around the world or collect handkerchiefs locally, and they put their names on them for her.
So Ann's grandmother, Corda Hogan, began a lifetime of collecting rare autographed handkerchiefs, like these first ladies. It's Mrs. Grover Cleveland, Mrs. Howard Taft, Mrs. Woodrow Wilson, Mrs. Teddy Roosevelt.
One gentleman offered me $1 million for it, but I signed a contract with my grandmother that it would never be sold and handed down in the family.
In Ann's basement, rack after rack of celebrity handkerchiefs.
I'm going to pull out Gordon Parks because he passed away yesterday, and he's a native Kansan, and it's just, he signed it in 2001. I have different kinds of letters on the computer, and sometimes I change them around a little bit, but I ask him to sign and date the enclosed handkerchief or send me one of their own and send it back.
There are great signed handkerchiefs in this collection. Her grandmother got Babe Ruth's. He smudged it when he signed it. Then there's Indira Gandhi, former Prime Minister of India, former German Chancellor Kurt Waldheim, Nelson Mandela of South Africa, Egyptian President Hosni Mubarak, and one of Ann's favorites, Amelia Earhart, the handkerchief stained over time.
It makes you feel like you're a part of that, of their accomplishments. It's really exciting. It's very exciting. My grandmother's always with me. Every time I talk about the handkerchiefs, every time I go and do a program, I wear my grandmother's autograph, and I always feel she's right here with me all the time. And $1 million couldn't pay for that.